guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple crumb bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl add the flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and lemon juice, and use your fingers to rub the butter into the mixture until it's combined. Try not to make it too fine. Then set it aside for now. Then to make the apple bread batter, in a medium bowl add the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then set it aside for now. Then for the apples, you want to wash them and then grate them using a box grater. You don't have to peel the apples if you don't want to. Then measure out the grated apples, and you want to pack them down so you don't get any air pockets, and also tip out any excess liquid. Then add the grated apples into a small bowl. Then add in the egg, canola or vegetable oil, and lemon zest, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and mix them together until they're just combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then grease a loaf pan with nonstick cooking spray, and pour half of the apple bread batter into the pan, and spread it out until it's even, and sprinkle half of the crumb topping on top of it, and spread the remaining batter over the top, and sprinkle the rest of the crumb topping on top, and bake it in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make apple crumb bread. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.